Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best tools and products to help make your work easier and more efficient. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the top options in the market for bearing pullers. The KUNTEC Blind Inner Bearing Race and Seal Puller Hole Remover Extractor Set Slide Hammer Tool Kit. This tool is a game changer for anyone dealing with tough, stubborn bearing races and seals, offering an easy and effective solution for bearing removal without damaging the surrounding parts. When it comes to performing repairs or maintenance on vehicles like bicycles, motorcycles, compact cars, or light pickup trucks, having the right tools is essential. The KUNTEC Bearing Puller Kit is designed with professionals and DIY enthusiasts in mind, making it perfect for a wide range of applications. Whether you're working with small, compact bearings or larger ones, this toolkit has you covered. It fits bearings with bore sizes ranging from 8mm to 58mm, offering excellent versatility for a variety of projects. The standout feature of this tool set is its durable construction. Made from high-quality chromium molybdenum steel, it ensures high toughness and rust-proof performance. You can rely on this puller for long-lasting durability, no matter how often you use it. The puller's performance is unmatched when it comes to handling internal and blind bearings without causing any damage to the parts you're working on. The wide range of collets and adapters included in the kit makes it highly adaptable to different bearing sizes and types. In addition to the puller itself, the kit includes a sliding hammer assembly that weighs around 1.9 pounds, offering a solid and reliable force for extracting bearings. The sliding hammer action is smooth and ensures a precise and controlled removal process. The set also comes with various collets and adapters, allowing you to work on a variety of bearing sizes from 8mm all the way up to 58mm in diameter. Whether you're dealing with axles, wheeling bearings, or bushings, the KUNTEC Blind Inner Bearing Race and Seal Puller Hole Remover Extractor Set is designed to make your tasks easier and more efficient. The various components, including the claw puller assembly, screw adapters, and counterstay puller, ensure that you have everything you need for an effortless and successful bearing removal process. This toolkit's easy-to-use nature means you can work on different vehicles, including bicycles, motorcycles, compact cars, and even light trucks, without the hassle of complex setups or additional tools. If you're looking for a reliable and professional-grade bearing puller that can handle the toughest jobs, the KUNTEC Blind Inner Bearing Race and Seal Puller Hole Remover Extractor Set is the one for you. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more tool reviews, and don't forget to subscribe for more expert insights into the best products on the market.